जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द पीएमएस समाचार चैनल। द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड नॉर्दर्न Cyprus, officially the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, is the de facto state that comprises the northeastern portion of the island of Cyprus, recognized only by Turkey. Northern Cyprus is considered by the International Committee to be the part of the Republic of Cyprus. Cyprus in their relations refers to the bilateral relations between the Cyprus and India. India maintains a High Commission in Nicosia. Cyprus maintains a High Commission in New Delhi, country. For safety, the Red Fort will not open on 15th August. Education, the dental college. A student will give exam in individual language sacraments. Today will also not opened. Basunath Mandir. Environment. The Saraswati River was one of the Rigvedic rivers mentioned in the Rigveda and later Vedic and most post-Vedic texts. The Saraswati rivers played an important role in the Vedic religion, appearing in all but the fourth book of the Rigveda. The goddess Saraswati was originally a personification of this river but later developed an independent identity. The Saraswati is also considered by Hindus to exist in metaphysical form, in which it formed a confluence with the sacred rivers Gangas and Yamuna at the Triveni Sangam. In Wisdom, petroleum is one form or another has been used since ancient times and is how important across society, including in economy, politics and technology. The rise in importance was due to the invention of the internal combustion engine, the rise in commercial aviation and the importance of petroleum to industrial organic chemistry, particularly the synthesis of plastic fertilizers, solvents, adhesives and pesticides more than 4,000 years ago. According to Herodotus and Diodorus Siculus, asphalt was used in the construction of the walls and towers of the Babylon. There were oil pits near Aderica and a pitch spring on Janiathus. Great Persian Chadak was one of the principal contributors of the Ayurveda system of medicine and lifestyle developed in ancient India. He is known as the editor of the medical treatise, the Chadak Samhita. Chadak has been identified as native of Kashmir. The treatise that Chadak compiled, one of the foundational treatises of classical Indian medicine, state the history of Manipur is reflected by archaeological research, mythology and written history. However, with the finding the old lost puya called Bakuklon Hilelal Thile Salai Amalian Pukok Puya, which was written around 1398 BC, are chiefs of India, New Delhi. At the time of King Mongi Ahmad, the kings of Kalkim needed to be updated since ancient times. The Meitei people have lived in the valleys of Manipur alongside the high lands in the hill and valley in peace. Crops. The beetroot is the taproot portion of the wheat family, usually Kannada and the USA as wheat, while the festival is referred to as beetroot in British English and also known as the table beet, garden beet, red beet, peanut beet or golden beet. It is one of several cultivated varieties of Beta vulgaris grown from their edible taproots and leaves. They have been classified as beet vulgaris soups vulgaris Condivitia group. Fruits. The jackfruit, also known as jack tree, is a species of tree in the fig, mulberry and breadfruit family. Its origins is in the region between the western Ghats of southern India and the rainforest of Malaysia. The jackfruit is tree well suited of tropical lowlands and is widely cultivated throughout the tropical regions of the world. Yoga Salam Shirshasana, often shortened to Shirshasana or yoga headstand, is an important asana in modern yoga exercise. It was described as both in asana and a mudra in classical hatha yoga under different names. The health benefits of Shirshasana: calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression, strengthens the lung, strengthens the arm, legs and spines, stimulates the pituitary and pineal glands. Universe. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect sphere of hot plasma with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers or 109 times that of Earth, and its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. It accounts for that 99.86 of the total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the sun mass consists of hydrogen. The rest is mostly helium with much smaller quantities of heavier quantity elements, including oxygen, carbon, neon, and iron. Maths. Geography is a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, featured inhabitants, and phenomena of the earth and planet. The first person to use the word was Eratosthenes. Geography is an all-encompassing discipline that seeks an understanding of Earth and its human and natural complexities, not merely where objects are, but also how they have changed and come to be. Ayurveda. Agar is a jelly-like substance obtained from red algae. Agar is a mixture of two components, the linear polysaccharide agarose and a heterogeneous mixture of smaller molecules, agaropropedition. Today's event. 1990, the Magellan Space Probe reached Venus. 1999, Los Angeles Davis Committee censored shooting. 2001, the 2001 Angola train attack occurred, causing 252 deaths. 2003, the Okinawa urban monorail is opened in Naha, Okinawa. Today's temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. Weather news. From today to 13th August, there is possibility of rain in Bihar. The non-cooperation movement was launched on 5th September 1920 by Mahatma Gandhi with the aim of self-governance and obtaining full independence. As the Indian Nation Congress withdrew its support for British reforms following the Rowlatt Act of 21st March 1990 and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of 13 April 1990, the Rowlatt Act in March 1990 suspended the rights of defendants in sedition trials, was seen as a political awakening by Indians and as threat by the British, although it was never invoked and declared void. Just as a few years later, the act motivated Gandhi to conceive the idea of satyagraha, which he saw as synonymous with independence. Today's for that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ओम शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः